Introducing the 2022 Skoda Octavia style 1.08 to I110 horsepower in sleek grey. This stunning 5-door saloon is packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning for both comfort and safety. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you'll have peace of mind on the road. The chrome package and luxurious interior trim add a touch of style to this efficient 1-litre petrol engine car. With a full health check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you can trust the quality of this vehicle. Contact us or visit laharts.ie today for more information on this impressive Skoda Octavia.